As you can see, this is starting page of Febdok. Here you have to log in to access Febdok. You are in main page, mean you successfully log in. For start a new project, you have to select the following option. To open an existing file, you have to select registry option. If you're creating a new project, then this pop-up will appear where you have to provide project details. After general details, you have to select your type of supply. Here in Febdok you can find 3 types of supply. First one, directly get the required supply from grid. Second one is to get required supply from generator. Third one is to get required supply from grid supply with step-down transformer. After selecting supply, you have to configure the supply by providing the details. Follow the steps to fill the required data. If you don't know the load data, then you can provide it after calculate total load and collect the phase angle. Now click on upstream network to specify the incoming voltage details. After feeding data in upstream network, don't forget to approve data. Now time for design single line diagram. A basic single line diagram will automatically created by Febdok according to your provided data. To add load, you have to select the distribution bus bar where you can add loads. Look the screen carefully to locate the available loads and busbar types on top. Now look at right window to locate incoming and outgoings for distribution board. Double-click on outgoing line or rectangle load box to edit load details, cable details and protection type. Here you can find the single line diagram on the top of window. You can select the elements like cable, protection and load to edit the details. For edit the details of elements, please consider the steps shown in screen. Now time to update transformer details. Please follow the steps. Also, don't forget to update incoming cable and protection of distribution board. After providing all data, finally check the load distribution one vary phase. After checking done, now time to extract the calculation and PDF. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Subscribe and press bell icon for notification.